Hi, my name is Chris Madrid. I'm the Development Officer for the Commemorative Air Force Dixie Wing. Today, the Dixie Wing had their kickoff meeting for our Stearman restoration project that's going to be dedicated to Rose the Riveter. One of our members, Jeff Clark, flew in his Navy Stearman. It's a beautiful aircraft, and this is what we hope our aircraft is going to look like in 2 years. If you'd like to help us with this project, please go to casstearman.org. Please follow us. We look forward to flying this aircraft.
It's cfstearman.com, but it's good.
Thank you. It's cfstearman.com.
Thank you.
So close. Clear prop.